Welcome to zerotoprotraining.com. Big data is our new and emerging domain in today's era. It requires careful planning and implementation of best practices in order to make it work. Here are some best practices tips. In the big data project, involve all business units. It is not an isolated activity. Involvement of all business units will offer a real value and insight. All infrastructure models should be evaluated for big data implementation. The most practical solution is to utilize a data center. For example, Amazon Web Services. But the cost and benefit of all options must be evaluated. Do not exclude traditional data sources in the project plan. There are numerous sources of big data, and the number is increasing day by day. Some companies mistakenly come to conclusion that traditional data sources are of less importance. Do consider a consistent set of data. Before the incoming data could be trusted, its consistency needs to be verified. You need to perform repetitive observation and analysis. Once the consistency is confirmed, then you can include the source in the scope. The data must be stored in a distributed environment. The volume of data is huge in the big data world. The processing is not possible on a single server. The solution is to use a distributed environment like Hadoop. Don't lock yourself to a single analytic approach. There are various technologies available for processing big data. Selection of the appropriate method and approach is important for the success of the project. Avoid relying on a single approach, evaluate all, and select the perfect one for your needs. First, make yourself ready for the project before diving into waters. Start with small steps. For example, pilot projects. This will let you gain expertise. Then go for actual implementation. Give importance to the data security. Data security is a major consideration in big data planning. The more the data is processed and tuned, the more it becomes valuable. This useful process data is an intellectual property for the company, and therefore must be guarded. The performance should not be ignored. The output of big data analytics is useful only when it produces in a reasonable time frame. If the performance of processing is not managed carefully, you may see possible issues. The entire project could become meaningless. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please visit zerotoprotraining.com.